Mata. What? Let's go to Mata. Let's go to Mata. Let's go. Is it Mata? Here? Mamita. Look, I got you. Fly.
Careful.
Yes. I'm Mita.
What's in there?
This is Mita. Here. Wow.
Feed. So what's in there? Where are you going? Where are you going? Don't go near the chicken. Where's the chicken?
Here. There's a chicken. Hello, chicken.
There. Come on, Lukoy. Careful.
What?
Oh, look at the chicken. Look at the chicken. Woo! There's a lot of chicken. Woo! Busog na mawa na manuol.
Puntak kay di ani putahan kay duo na.
Chicken.
How many chickens you have, Mamita?
1, 2, take 1, 2.
1, 2?
6, 1, 2, 6 chicken.
1, 2, 6?
2.
You count them.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are checking out the chicken coop in the backyard. Yes, we are going to find the chicken. My mamita started raising 4 chicken and then they grows and produces many offsprings. We now have an estimate of 60 chickens and we are selling them. If you need chickens, native chickens, contact us. The channel now. And don't forget to like the channel, subscribe and follow.
Mga 50?
Right.
Head count? More than 50?
Oh, see that? There's an airplane.
Nagkuha na nagbigay sa 4.
You started with 4 heads.
Yeah.
Now it's more than 40.
Now for one
More than
chicken. 1, 2, 6 chicken.
You're not going in? You cannot step on the pool if you will stay outside the net. Just stay outside the net.
Hello.
Hello. What are you doing here, Lukoy?
What?
You will be feeding the chicken?
Yeah.
Ooh. So you're not going there? You do? It's feeding time.
Number feeds. Ano day? Rice. Sige, feed ka. Get.
Iyabura tanan ba? Ay!
Ako po.
Katagal ko bugumita. Katagal ko anak mo itong bugas. Ayun, ragana ha.
Shoot, shoot.
Ayan.
Papa, si Labukan, si Lukoy, anong dako ma.
Di na, bin mo gaan.
Shoot na ka?
May luol, Lukoy, anong dako mo. You feed the chicken, Lukoy. Feed the chicken. Oh, you got a lot of chicken. No more feeds. Butchoy. Gusto mo suroy na makadiha.
Very good.
Ikaw ka anak, boy.
Bangata gusto. Lukoy. Feed the chicken. Come on, feed the chicken.
Ayun, ito gawas kayo. Sala sa sudra.
Feed the chicken. Feed the chicken, Lukoy. What? What's wrong?
Poo.
Smells like poop. Oy! Ano yan, oy? So we have like 60 chicken. 60 heads here. Lukoy, come here.
Nag-uban naman sa nimita po. Mita, di po mga lupad ang manok, Mita. Ana, mga ayaw masud are.
No, they cannot fly. They're surrounded with nets. And it's pretty much high. Come here na, Lukoy.
Lukoy, iid ka na, Lukoy.
Come here na, Lukoy.
Lukoy, Lukoy, hindi oh.
Ayun, sa macho.
They're on it now. Nako question mo, me.
Lukoy!
Mas ko
Get outside! Come here!
Ano sa kabitan mo, me? Ngano di ay nga nagpabuhi sa manok si Mita?
Business.
Like
She's going to sell that. Yeah. Native chickens are expensive than the
American.
The hybrid one.
It's a hybrid.
The one that is being sold in the market. Lukoy, come here!
Ah, di pure.
Uh-huh.
Pure la pang ito.
These are native chickens.
So pure siya.
Oh.
Pira de usa.
Ingat si Mita kay if na anak ko daghan kayo. If na siya daghan kayo. Okay, fine. I was
I'm
speaking.
taller now.
I'm gonna speak English speaking. My grandma said if he has so many chickens, if he has so many chickens,
If she have.
Di man ko makaingan. My grandma said if he has so many chickens, he will give me one baby chicken.
No. Oh, that's why he's helping. Mami, the point of helping is to get a reward. This is more than it.
Patagay si Lukoy,
I'm going to hit.
Come on.
Hit ka.
Hoy, girot naman ninyo na.
Ikaw si Mita na ayaw, ihurot.
What happened to you, kuya? What happened to you? What happened to you? Kuya? What?
smells terrible and I inhaled it.
Cover your nose.
Mama, damas.
Hey, come here.
Come here, Lukoy. I'm just fine. Come here. Lukoy, come on. Lukoy. Put it here.
Kuto. Lukoy, stand up. Go na outside.
Lukoy, they will eat you. Lukoy, come here. Give me. Tagal ko, cuy. Wala, ni hurot man na nimo. Imo si Mito na.
Ban lala every minute.
He's not eating. He's on a diet. The chicken is not eating because he's on a diet.
Oh, chicken, the dad.
Or maybe it's full already. Stand up.
Why? No more na. Come on, eat chicken.
Come on, let's go.
No.
Let's go. You're done feeding the chicken. So you want to leave there? You want to stay with the chicken? Let's go now. You go out.
He becomes one within the chicken.
Buchoy. Careful ba? Dali, Rare.
Mama, this child you see right there, he becomes a chicken. He grows wings. He grows feathers. And especially, he can caw.
Cuckoo. Cuckoo.
You will become the mighty rooster. Not that one. That one's a pig. That
Lukoy, come here na. Ala, nagtunob-tunob na sa ng pitak. Come here na. Lawa, di ba na kuha na ka, nalapot na ka.
yuck.
Wash, you have to wash feet na. Come on, let's go.
Pagkuha lagi, andam kuha.
Dirty na yung feet. Come on, let's go na.
Mama, this is how you get in. You gotta andam for another Chinitos.
You want to stay there?
He wants to.
Oh, you
sleep
live with
there.
the chicken. You can stay there. You live with the chicken.
They will adopt you until you realize you are not actually a chicken. He adopts as a chicken. He becomes one with the chicken. He's known as the chicken boy.
Come on, let's go. How will I clean that? I'm outside and you're there. Go outside. I can help you. I can help you clean that. Come on. I don't want to get in. I don't want to get in. Come here. Come here. Uy. 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 Don't chase them. They're feeding.
No.
You're disturbing their meal.
You stay there.
Come here na. Come here. Come here. Come here. Let me help you clean your slipper. You step on poop? He stepped on poop and he wants me to clean his slipper.
But di mo buwas.
But he doesn't want to go outside, so how can I help him?
Mama, spray your water gun.
Brilliant idea. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Why are you crying?
Not my problem.
Come here. What's wrong with you? Mas scared ang mga chicken because you're shouting.
If the chicken gets if the chicken gets scared, it means they will never go to you forever.
Come here, come. Come here. Come. Come on. Get out. Come on. Oh no, you want me to get inside? You wait for Mamita. Wait for Mamita, ha? Wait for Mamita.
Mame.
Oh,
Ko extension sa bidet mame ba ang explain.
you're in great trouble. Feeding chicken gone wrong.